Hi everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video for those of you who will be at home tomorrow taking the quiz for Kami and how to use it. So tomorrow you'll log into Google Classroom and you will open up your Google Classroom. So this is my fake one that I'm using. And under classwork, a quiz will be released to you and you only. So no one else will be able to see it. It'll be an assignment for you only. And it will be uploaded through Kami. So it'll look like this on your screen. When you open up the document, you want to open it with Kami. So if you're using a personal device or your Chromebook, you'll have to select this option to open it with Kami. When you do that, Kami will open the document slowly but surely. All right. So the quiz, why is AP Biology awesome? So if I wanted to answer this first question, I could choose my text box. If I want the text box to have a dark border, or I want my text to be dark in color, I just select where I want to start typing. This is going to be my text box. AP Biology is the best subject because it has the best teacher, right? That's the answer, of course. Okay, so if you look up at the top, it says saved. It automatically saves whatever you do on this document right onto this version of it in Google Classroom, so that when I see it or when I click on it from my end, it will look like whatever you typed. All right, oh my gosh, then there's a graph. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to pick a rectangle, pick a blue rectangle. Whatever I'm graphing, right, I can make it like this. I could fill it in if I wanted to. That's really up to you. You don't have to do all of that if you don't want to. Say I want to make my other bar graph, so something like this. I can use the text boxes on the side to label my axes. So this could be average number of drops, like we did in the lab, the properties of water lab, something like that. All right, and again, it's saving everything I'm doing. So I can create my bars this way. I can also draw things. So if I wanted to draw my standard error bars, I could pick the color I want, right? Draw my standard error bars in. I could also draw my, my numbers on the side. I know that's a little harder to do, but do your best, right? I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but you can do your best. For my scaling, okay, you could always type it in too. There's a lot of different features in here that you can use. I know it's going to take a little bit to do, so do your best. It will save. So then if I close this out, if I leave it, and then again on my end when I open up the document, I will see your edits or whatever you did to the document. All right, so there it is, all saved, and I still am able to see it, and I would be able to grade your quiz. All right, so that's Kami. I recommend playing around with it. If you haven't yet with one of the reading guides, reach out to me if you have any questions.